Did you know that Jared Leto grew up in a communal? That Gal Gadot served in Israeli Defense Forces? That Jason Momoa is into Buddhism? Or what brought Ben Affleck fame? Hi guys, I'm Christina Chichura. Meet the cast of Justice League. Jared Leto, who's playing the Joker, is not only an actor but a musician as well. He is a lead singer in 30 Seconds to Mars. He moved to Los Angeles to become a musician at first, and did acting jobs on the side. He oftentimes doesn't come out of a character until filming is over. His hobbies are painting, writing songs, snowboarding, and hiking. Leto is a tech investor and has stocks in Uber, Reddit, Airbnb, and others. Gal Gadot, playing Wonder Woman, is an Israeli actress and made her acting debut in Fast and Furious, where she was performing her own stunts. She represented Israel in 2004 Miss Universe pageant and served in Israel Defense Forces for 2 years. Her first name means wave in Hebrew. Gal will be the first non-American actress to play Wonder Woman. Henry Cavill, playing Superman, the role, when originally played in 2013, brought him international fame. But if he wasn't acting, he joined Special Forces. Surely Gal and Henry had lots to talk about. Plus, he's also a first non-American actor to play Superman. Cavill owns a production company, Rex Glancy, likes rugby, cares for animals and their preservation. Amber Heard is an American actress with a breakthrough performance in Pineapple Express. She dropped out of school and went to New York to pursue modeling, and then relocated to LA for acting. Ben Affleck, playing Batman, wanted to act since he was a kid. His first acting gig was in Burger King commercial. Him, Matt Damon, and Casey Affleck went to New York when they were teenagers for auditions. Affleck and Damon sold their script, Good Will Hunting, for $600,000, starred in it, and it brought them international success and an Academy Award. Ben is the oldest actor to play Batman. Jason Momoa, playing Aquaman, is an American actor who got his big break in the 10th season of 1989 Baywatch. He's also played Khal Drogo in Game of Thrones and is often cast as a warrior. He owns a production company, likes to rock climb, snowboard, and skateboard. Jason also spends time studying Buddhism. He likes carbs, but says denial is good training for the mind. Amy Adams, playing Lois Lane, started her career as a dancer. Popular and big movies like Cruel Intentions or Catch Me If You Can didn't bring her fame. But low-budget film Junebug got her Academy Award nomination for the Best Supporting Actress. She's one of the 7 children, and her brother, Eddie, works for TMZ. Amy is best friends with Emily Blunt and has loved road trips since childhood. Jesse Eisenberg, playing Lex Luthor, got his big break in the movie Social Network. He performed since age 10 in children's theater. He is the first actor to play Lex Luthor who's younger than actor who's playing Batman. Jesse says Woody Allen has a big influence on him. When playing bad guys, he still finds a way to like a character. He loves puzzles and games. Surely he enjoyed portraying a con artist character in the movie Now You See Me. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.